Traders, Anthony here. I'm looking at Solana. I'm just going to go out to the weekly time frame. Let's, I don't know, does this thing work? Oh no, that's a bit, I don't know. Just trying to picture, well, that'll do. If we continue on this trajectory, I'm looking at these levels here for targets. Actually, look, pull this back and you'll see how this has already been targeted, these highs here. It's already reached into that, look at that. I think let's grab this again, and my next port of call would be these highs. Okay, so two valid targets looking left, and then beyond that we don't have any data. So we're going to be looking at all-time highs. We could project long position, Fibonacci, alright, Fib, low to high. This high plays in beautifully with my minus 100. This price swing, what I'm doing here is this, I'll show you. A, B, C, D to the 50, and then A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C, D to the 100. So that's what I'm doing here. Just measuring that. This kind of makes sense to me. That's a valid target, and it works with my A, B, C, D measured move. And beyond that, oh gosh, look, you know, where do you want to go with it? But I'm bullish, guys, and I think the rally is. I mean, look, this is kicking off. I think alt season is definitely. We're right at the beginning of some really interesting times ahead. So anyway, I don't want to drag this out, but let's just go down here and have a look and see how we can get involved with this. Go down to the daily. I mean, it's a pretty exciting time at the moment in crypto, to be honest. Righto, so we've had this rally, big pullback in here, and now we're seeing this base that's formed here. This is bullish. We've got shift here in structure. Nice bullish price action. Actually, it's quite a deep pullback, okay? So just be a little bit careful. And look, here's the thing with this. See this range here? There's a couple of things about this that we need to look at. Okay, I'm going to pull my Fibonacci from this low to high. So I'm looking at this price swing. Swing low, swing high, retrace 50% to 618. Okay. A potential buy zone in around here. So let's just go down to the 4H. Potential buy zone. Just going to be a little bit careful, guys, because what I'm seeing here, there's a few things. Yeah, my bias is to get long, right? But have a look left and see this green candle. There's nothing left and right of it, right? So we've got this bullish imbalance. It's pushed off from this range with a vengeance, and we've got this imbalance through here. That could be a target for the market to come back down looking to rebalance. Potentially. Right, we'll just mark that up so it's on the chart and we've got that as a point of interest. Do that. The other thing you want to consider is this range building a ton of liquidity above and below, but especially below. I'm bullish, so I'm more interested in what lies under here. So we've got this liquidity pool. A ton of traders are long. And here's the thing with this. I'll just open that up. I'm interested in this section of the chart. Let's grab my pencil and draw a couple of things on here. Righto. This, obviously, it's building liquid. We've got these stops going under here, sell stops, and above. But the thing that I'm seeing, and I'm thinking that this is bullish more than anything. The thing that I'm seeing with this is, and this was just going through my head, these moves here, these bullish moves, you see these spikes, this entices buyers in. And then what they do is, and I'm talking, big money, then they take it down and they hit the stop losses that are sitting under from these guys buying. Then it rallies again, and look what we get. It spikes up in here. More buyers jump on the bandwagon, so we get a whole new stop loss liquidity build up under here from this bullish move here. Now this hasn't been hit yet. Now you want to be a little bit careful, because when you see a range like this, especially when it does that, I'm always looking out for the fake out, or fakey, shaky chart pattern. Alright, so fake out draws in buyers, then they take out the stops, and then we get our run. And then that's the opportunity then just to jump in on the, as we see higher highs and higher lows forming. So this could set up down in here, but it could also travel a bit further south. So that's why I'm a little bit cautious with this at the moment. Gee, I've got a ton of drawings on here. Let me just take some of that out. I'll just delete them quickly. Right, the possibility that this actually travels a bit further south is very real, because we've got, look, all under here. This is seriously big money, guys. Like, we're talking, the whales jumping in here looking to buy. They have to work their orders in. They can't just jump in and buy. So this is what's going on. This is accumulation, right? But it could be setting up for them to, it could even tank all the way down in here, rebalance, and then we get our moves. So just be careful with this. There's two ways you could approach this. There's two ways to approach this, and I'll cover that right now. One is you're a trader. Two is you're an investor. Now, just between you and I, I'm looking to invest, and I'm dollar cost averaging in, right? So here's a concept. You could dollar cost average in, and that means you could buy at this level, at market, spot, not margin, spot, and no stops. We're just buying, and then if this happens to do that, it doesn't matter, and I'll accumulate more down in here. Right, so I'm already building my position because I really believe in this. I think this has seriously got some legs, and honestly, look, you just got to watch a few videos out there on YouTube, guys that are really tuned in and smart about investing. This is an opportunity. Seriously, let's just quickly go back out, and then we'll come back in again. We are at, this level here, and this all this messing around down in here. We have an incredible opportunity, if you believe in this, to get in before that happens. Right? This is a bullish market. Anyway, I don't want to hype everybody up, but I believe in this, and that's what I'm doing. I'm interested, definitely interested in this. So we go back down to 4 hour. Understand that there's two things with, like if you're trading and you want to be trading with stop losses, I'd be waiting for, it's ranging, it's doing its thing. All right, it could do that. The break above this range, the pullback, retest and fail, then we're in. Okay, so that's a buy opportunity. That's one idea. The other idea is, if it does break and we do see it retest and fail here, then sure, I'd be piling in as well. But the other thing that could happen with this is, it fakes out, and then we get, it hits, stops under here, it rebalances, and we get that. In which case, then the opportunity to get long is going to be when you see the range like this down low. Let me just grab my pencil. So it's, it trades down, it starts ranging. and then we get the opportunity. But you're looking for the break and retest of then this range here, as you would be looking for that. Okay, so just understand that it could look to hit that rebalance. Personally, yeah, I'm just going in without stops. I'm buying up, and I'm going to sit and hold and just weather the storm, and it's a bit of a roller coaster ride. Well, let it be. And if you're going to be doing that, then you want to be, and I don't want to say investing, but using money that you can afford to lose. Let's put it that way. Not financial advice, guys. Right? This is for educational purposes only. Just be careful. Anyway, look, that's my take on Solana, and I hope you found the video of value. Please comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts, or read what you have to say about this, what you're thinking in the comments below. And yeah, with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next one.